Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys 3 series such as E90, E91, 92, 93 guys, and you have problems with your crankcase ventilation breather valve guys, also known as oil separator, stay with us guys. We will explain where it's located, how to get to it, what needs to be done and how to replace it guys. Okay, so it's not as easy as you think. Quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos, and specifically on BMW guys 3 series we'll have probably close to 400 or 500 free videos provided to you guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you guys. Now we'll demonstrate on a 6-cylinder engine. If you have N51, N52 guys engine, okay, it should work out. Maybe even N53, but I'm not quite sure. So let me show you what we have here. Specifically, this is a 2006 BMW 325i. Now we'll have a special video that explains the symptoms of a bad crankcase breather ventilation valve guys, what to expect, and how you can think that you have a completely blown engine when you guys only have a valve that you need to replace and it's worth only like let's say less than $100. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Now guys, things that I'll recommend to do. Okay, first you go ahead and disconnect the car battery, because we'll be working really close to the engine starter and there is a positive wire coming from the battery and the alternator, and if you touch that wire it can cause damage to your electrical system, engine module, computer, relays, fuses guys, things that are really hard to fix sometimes and expensive as well. So disconnect the car battery the correct way guys. Okay, we will share the link in the description of the video below how to properly disconnect car battery, which terminal to disconnect first. Once you do all that, you will need to remove your air filter box. Okay, if you want to see all these videos we have them on the channel, and you will need to remove your intake manifold. I will share the link in the description of the video below how to remove your intake manifold guys. Once you guys remove your intake manifold, okay, let me show you. You're coming guys to what we need to actually do right here, and you can see this valve right here guys. This is known as oil separator valve, also known as crankcase breather valve. Now the bottom hose, okay, right here attaches to the hose that's coming from the crankcase, from the oil pan right there. One hose. This one attaches to the cylinder head, to the valve cover. And you have 2 more right here guys. You have multiple wires, okay, for the heating elements. So how you guys remove and replace that thing? Pretty simple. Okay, you have a few screws that you need to remove, and that whole mount, okay, will come out guys. You need to disconnect a few hoses here and there. These hoses, okay, they're super easy to disconnect, but sometimes they will be stuck guys. Okay, what you can do, okay, right here you just squish in the middle. Okay, and you pull them out. You can see when you squish you have 2 teeth on each side. Okay, let me focus quick. 2 teeth and they spread, okay, and you can pull it out. So you can see, not very complicated, but that's the whole system guys. You have these 2 hoses, that's the valve itself, that's the upper crankcase ventilation hose, and that's the lower crankcase ventilation hose right there. That's the whole system guys, that's the valve. If you want to see the symptoms of a bad valve, we have the video on the channel, please check it out. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.